In this Snapchat video tutorial today I will show you how to backup Snapchat camera roll. So without spending more time, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app that you have installed. So if you want to backup Snapchat camera roll, so you just need to tap on little Snapchat memory icon, and here you can see I have no any snaps. And when I tap on camera roll, so you can see there's a little error which one is display your camera roll is not backup by Snapchat. So how I can backup my Snapchat camera roll? So you just need to select the Snapchat camera roll first of all, and here you just need to select the some pictures that you want to make a backup. So I have selected pictures, so now I want to tap on move. So you can see move to my eye only, so tap on move. It take a little bit of time to backup on my eye only. So now I want to tap on back, and once again I want to open the Snapchat memory folder, and on my eye only, so I want to open this folder. And right now you can see recently I have added some pictures to my eye only. So right now you can see the images will be uploaded to my eye only, but it take a little bit time to properly move to the my eye only. When I tap on a single image, so it will be open after a few seconds, because right now this picture is not completely moved to the Snapchat my eye only. So you just need to wait for 15 to 10 minutes for to properly backup the Snapchat camera roll to my eye only. And after a few minutes you will see all the photos here on my eye only. So anyway, I want to show you how to make this snaps to the backup on a snap folder. So you just need to tap on my eye only, and here select the all photos that you have recently backup. So now you can once again tap on the move option. So right now when you tap on move option, so you can see all the snaps will be moved to the snaps folder. And right now you can see I have recently added to the snaps. So this is pretty cool feature which allows you to backup snaps to the camera roll. So this is pretty simple and cool feature which allows you to backup the Snapchat camera roll. So right now you can see some pictures is displaying, but it takes a little bit of time to properly backup. So right now you can see these pictures are stored on my Snapchat folder, not on my camera roll. So this is all about the video, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you get the more videos regarding a Snapchat, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.